Hello everyone. Welcome back to day 15 of our 30-day English learning challenge. Today we are going to practice something very useful in daily life. We are going to learn how to make plans with friends in English. This means how to invite a friend, how to say yes, how to say no politely, how to decide the time and place, and how to confirm the plan. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to talk naturally with your friends when you want to meet them. Let's begin with inviting a friend. When you want to invite a friend, you can use simple sentences. You can say, "Do you want to go for coffee tomorrow?" You can say, "Would you like to watch a movie tonight?" You can say, "How about going to the park on Saturday?" Or you can say, "Let's have dinner together." These are all natural and friendly ways to invite someone. Repeat after me slowly. Do you want to go shopping this weekend? Would you like to play football after school? How about dinner tonight? Say these again and again until they feel easy for you. Now let's practice accepting an invitation. When your friend invites you, you can say yes in different ways. You can say, "Yes, that sounds great." You can say, "Sure, I'd love to." You can say, "Of course." Or you can say, "That's a good idea." Listen to the examples. Do you want to go for coffee tomorrow? Yes, that sounds great. Would you like to watch a movie tonight? Sure, I'd love to. How about going to the park on Saturday? Of course. Practice with me now. Yes, that sounds great. Sure, I'd love to. That's a good idea. Sometimes you cannot join your friend. You want to say no, but in a polite way. In English, we do not just say no. We make it softer. You can say, "I'm sorry, I can't." You can say, "Maybe next time." You can say, "I'd love to but I'm busy." Or you can say, "Thanks for inviting me, but I can't today." Let's listen to the examples. Do you want to go shopping this weekend? I'm sorry, I can't. Would you like to play football after school? Maybe next time. How about dinner tonight? I'd love to, but I'm busy. Practice with me now. I'm sorry, I can't. Maybe next time. Thanks for inviting me, but I can't today. When your friend says yes, the next step is to decide the time and the place. You can ask, "What time shall we meet?" You can ask, "Where do you want to meet?" You can suggest, "Let's meet at 5 p.m. You can also say, "Let's meet at the park." Here is an example. What time shall we meet? Let's meet at 6 p.m. Where do you want to meet? At the library. Shall we meet at your house or mine? Let's meet at my house. Repeat after me. What time shall we meet? Where do you want to meet? Let's meet at 3 o'clock. After you decide the time and the place, it is good to confirm the plan. Confirm means to say it clearly one more time so both people understand. You can say, "See you at 5. You can say, "Okay, it's a plan." You can say, "See you tomorrow." Or you can say, "Great, I'll be there." Listen carefully. Let's meet at the park at 4. Okay, it's a plan. See you at 4. How about coffee at 6 p.m.? Great, I'll be there. Practice with me. See you at 5. Okay, it's a plan. See you tomorrow. Now let's hear some full conversations. Conversation 1. Do you want to go to the park on Saturday? Yes, that sounds great. What time shall we meet? Let's meet at 3 p.m. Okay, see you at 3. See you. Conversation 2. Would you like to watch a movie tonight? I'd love to, but I'm busy. Maybe next time. No problem. Let's plan for another day. Yes, that's a good idea. Conversation 3. How about dinner tomorrow? Sure, I'd love to. Where do you want to meet? Let's meet at the new restaurant. Okay, it's a plan. See you at 7. See you. Now it is your turn to practice. Imagine your best friend is with you. Ask them, do you want to go somewhere? Would you like to do something? How about meeting this weekend? Then answer as your friend. Say yes sometimes. Say no sometimes. Choose a time. Choose a place. Confirm the plan. The more you practice this, the easier it becomes. Here are some extra phrases that are also useful. You can say, are you free this weekend? You can say, let's hang out. You can say, do you want to grab lunch? You can say, can we meet tomorrow? You can say, I'll text you the time. You can say, sounds good. And you can say, catch you later. These are short, natural, and very common in daily English. Let's review what we learned today. You practiced inviting a friend. You learned how to accept. You learned how to say no politely. You practiced choosing a time and place. You confirmed the plan. And you also learned some extra useful phrases. These are very important in real life. You can start using them with your friends immediately. That's all for today's lesson. Now you can make plans with friends in English. Keep practicing, and you will feel more and more confident. In the next lesson, Day 16, we will learn English for doctor visits. Thank you for listening today. See you in the next lesson.